Last year, 2024, Gavin and Risse and I restored this 1970 Fireball sailing dinghy, but did not quite get it finished. That video can be seen in the link in the description below.
So these are all the pieces that we still need to put back together. The center board, probably start with that today. And all these little...
So in June this year, we worked 2 more days to finish installing all the remaining components.
Very good, Gavin. Perfect. Now we're ready to take the boat outside.
On June 25, we wheeled the boat outside with the help of our friend Brian Nocco, who was visiting for the weekend. But first we had to inspect the sails. They all seemed in remarkably good condition for such a vintage boat. We got the mast from its storage in the garage ceiling and stepped it for the first time. Having never rigged this boat before, we had fun figuring out all the little tricks to get the jib and the main up. Satisfied that everything worked, we de-rigged and then unstepped the mast and hauled the boat via McGreggor Road to the slip about a half-mile away. Gavin installed the rudder and we launched the boat, pleased that she actually floated. Hitching her to my tri-toon boat, we towed her to our dock to prepare for our first launch.
Dropped it.
In the water? Yeah, just okay, all right, there we go.
Still not, I mean, there you go, it's easier.
And just like that, Gavin and I set out on our first sail. There was no wind, so we paddled as the soft rain started to fall. But Brian took a swim as Gavin and I managed to maneuver the boat in what seemed like not a breeze at all.
Coming in and the rain's starting to stop, so it's a good thing actually.
Risse arrived from Japan yesterday, and we were finally ready for the first real maiden voyage of the boat, which together we restored with so much love and care over so many days, weeks, and months. The wind was light here in our cove, but we were expecting better sailing conditions once we were out on the lake. A beautiful afternoon sailing on the lovely, responsive, exciting sailing dinghy, lovingly restored, with promises of many enjoyable days with my grandkids. My greatest hope is to pass on my love of sailing to them, the excitement of the challenge of just you, the water, the wind, and the boat. After returning from a month away in Africa, I noticed the birds have pooped on the boat and the UV already has done a number on our paint job, so I ordered a canvas and manufactured a cover. And there she is, all tucked away until our next sail.